Nice. Very nice product. Loved it. Nice product. Not delivered the same product. The color of the control panel of the delivered fridge is silver, and also it must have the deodorizer filter as we can see in the picture. Nor it have that extra container which we can put in the freezer. Superb product. Value for money. Satisfied with this product, just have heating issue and nothing. I'm happy that I have put my money in this. If you want 253 liters fridge in this range, this is best with beautiful color. I bought this fridge, still there is no complete. Huge storage capacity, energy efficiency is good. The convertible 3-in-1 provides the ultimate in flexible storage. Easily convert your freezer into a fridge to create up to 88 liters of space for all of the fresh food you like or need to store in different seasons or for special occasions. Good looking refrigerator. I was looking for convertible as most of the time we don't use freezer. So in the market this is the only option in this price range. Only issue with this model seems to be side heating, which is mentioned on the product as well, but it's harmless. Nice looking convertible refrigerator. Effective cooling with silent compressor operation. Not much spacious but sufficient enough for a family of 3 to 4 persons. Excellent refrigerator thanks to Amazon. Wonderful color. Like it very much. It's not a light violet color. It looks like a nice dark navy blue color. Excellent performance. I got the deal at 18000 after exchange plus free extra year warranty from Amazon in Great Indian Sale only. Higher and Samsung gives convertible feature at low price. LG also provide these feature but for higher end refrigerator. I like inverter compressor will run on home inverter convertible fair. I ordered this product at 7th April and got this delivered at 11th April. I have purchased this on very attractive price 22,550 and got the 2000 cash back offer on Citi credit card. Click link in description for more reviews.